Okay, so this time I'm working on letter F, question number 3. So I work from the inside out. Our first consideration, f of -1. So I take the f function rule, and everywhere that I see an x, I replace it with -1. So the f of -1 equals, always use parentheses with negatives, -1 quantity squared minus, and here, x is -1, so yep, those signs can get confusing. Make this just a bit smaller. So, everywhere that I see an x, I replace it with -1. So, that's an x, there's a -1. That's another x, there's another -1. So now I'm going to evaluate this and put that into my g function. So the g of -1 squared is really +1. A negative times a negative is a positive. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the output of the f function becomes the input of the g function. So the g of 2, I start with the 1 minus, and then instead of writing x, I replace it with a 2. So we get 1 minus 2. Now when I evaluate that, 1 minus 2 is -1, but I go back to my original notation. G of f of -1 equals 1 minus 2 is -1. And that's question F.